Care proceedings focus on your child's safety and well-being, and while it can feel overwhelming, understanding each step can help you approach them with confidence. The local authority may start care proceedings if they believe your child is at risk of harm. They'll give you a letter explaining this decision and a list of solicitors you can contact. During this difficult time, it's important to have support. You can bring a family member or a friend to meetings. Before going to court, it's important to speak with a lawyer who specialises in family law and child protection. All parents are entitled to legal aid regardless of your financial situation. A lawyer will help you understand the proceedings, prepare documents and represent your interests in court. If you need assistance finding a lawyer, you can contact your local Citizens Advice Bureau or a legal aid service. The court will appoint a children's guardian for your child who will represent your child's best interests to the court. They will contact both parents before the first hearing to understand your views. They will also spend time getting to know your child and make sure their wishes and feelings are heard. They will provide independent and expert advice on the plan for your child and make recommendations to the court. Your lawyer will speak to you before the court case to tell you what they think the judge might bring up and to get your views and responses. During the court case breaks, the lawyers, social worker and the children's guardian may have meetings which you won't be able to attend. However, your lawyer should tell you what was discussed in the meeting and anything that you need to agree or disagree with. Entering the courtroom can feel intimidating. Everyone in the room has to stand when the judge comes in and out, and the judge is in charge of the room. The judge sits at the front with the court clerk nearby acting as the judge's assistant. This can make you feel powerless. There may also be a lot of court speak. Each parent's lawyer will explain this when you have a break. If they don't, you should ask them to explain anything you don't understand. Only lawyers are allowed to speak to the judge, so if you need to ask something, you can pass your lawyer a written note. You may be asked to be involved in various assessments. The people doing these assessments may visit you in your home, or you may meet at the social worker's office. They may want to see how you are with your children at home or during your contact with them. They help the court understand your ability to look after your child, keep them safe from harm and determine the best outcome. Your social worker will continue to hold follow-up meetings to discuss how you're getting on. Your social worker should be open and honest with you about their recommendations for your child. These meetings are a valuable opportunity for you to show the changes you're making and request additional support if you need it. If you are also able to be open with your social worker, this helps everyone to stay focused on your child's safety and well-being. The entire court case should ideally finish within 26 weeks, but delays can happen for various reasons, such as an unavailable judge, assessments not finishing on time, or new family members saying they can care for your child. You may need to attend court multiple times for different hearings, especially if there are disagreements that need the judge's decision. The court may also provide extra time for you to show you can care for your child and keep them safe. At the final hearing, the judge will hear all the information collected during the proceedings. If there are different opinions about what's best for your child, the judge may ask to hear from you, the social worker, the guardian, or any other professionals involved on the witness stand. The judge will make a final decision regarding your child's safety and well-being and who they will live with. Care proceedings are a deeply emotional and challenging experience for any parent. It's so important to engage with the process, work closely with your social worker, and get legal advice when you need to. And remember, we are all a team to help achieve a life of safety so a child can live their dreams to achieve anything they want to be.